Welcome to the tutorial session of calibrating your drone. Calibrate your drone by going ahead with skip login. Go to serial port setting and connect your drone. Wait for the parameters to download. Once the drone is connected, it will notify that the serial port has been connected. Go to settings, click on sensors and proceed with calibrating your drone. AeroGCS will send notifications of place vehicle level. You can then proceed with next. Follow instructions and proceed with next. Place vehicle on the right side and down, up and back. Now proceed with next after each. Here you can see accelerometer has been calibrated. Upload details on your device. Proceed with reboot. Now accelerometer is calibrated. Proceed with compass calibration. You will see all the calibrating factors one below the other. Here the compass has been calibrated. Start calibrating level horizon. Once all parameters are seen, you will see level horizon has been calibrated. Next is calibrating pressure. Once all details have been notified, you can see pressure has been calibrated. Moving further to RC calibration. Click on Calibrate. Ensure your transmitter is on and receiver is powered and connected. Click on OK and follow as notified. You can see all channels getting calibrated. Click on Click when done and press OK to continue. RC calibration is now completed. It shows the detected channels. Click on Update and parameters would be sent to device. Go to flight modes and select each flight mode as stabilize, loiter, land, etc. Update the changes made. Proceed with ESC calibration and follow the instructions. Go to power settings and reset the below parameters as needed. Take a motor test. Ensure propellers are removed. Go to safety settings. Select action of safety. Hereby the actionable for drone calibration are completed. Thank you for watching AeroGCS KEA tutorial video.